Hi, I'm Julie Kraft from the Worldwide Client Center Tooling team. Today I'd like to take you through the process of creating a demo in the IBM Systems Client Demonstration Center, or as we like to call it, Demo Portal. Today I'll show you how to create a demo, the 3 types of demos, the IDs and files you'll need for each type, how to create custom email templates, and finally how the feedback and ratings process works. Demo Portal offers 3 types of demos: manual, automated, and video. Once you decide what type of demo you will create, you can customize your content and even customize the emails that are sent to the users. Manual demos require 2 steps from the owner for each requested demo. When the request is made, it will go into the pending state. An email will be sent to the owner to ask for approval of the booking. You, the owner, can click on the request in the email to go to the Demo Portal to approve or reject the request. If you approve, the requester will receive an email letting them know the demo is booked. Then, based on the reset time you specified when you created the Demo Portal will notify you before the demo start time to give you time to reset. You can also edit the request or add user credentials. When the demo is provisioned and configured, you will mark it in the Demo Portal, and the Demo Portal will send an email to the requester to let them know it's ready. If you don't indicate the demo is ready, then a note will never be sent to the requester. Next, we have the automated demo type, which has many benefits. Here, the request and approval process are automated and do not require intervention from the owner. The Demo Portal will do all the work. Automated demos require an infrastructure service ID. These IDs are maintained by the Demo Portal team, so please contact Benoit Clerget for Montpellier demos, or me, Julie Kraft, for all the other demo locations to receive an ID. The automated demo process also allows optional scripts to be run at booking and/or reset time. The last demo type is the video. Video demos allow instant access to the video once the demo is booked. No scheduling or approval is necessary. Now let's go through the steps to create each type of demo. Start by going to the Demo Portal with ibm.biz/demo-portal. Any user with an IBM ID can log into the Demo Portal. We filtered the demos displayed based on the user type: IBMer, business partner, or client. So let's create our demo. We specify the title, the location, the type, and here live remote just means that the requester is in one place and the hardware is in another place. You can also specify live local, which means that the requester would have to come to the center to use the demo. And then for mode, we have automatic and manual. Now remember that an automatic or automated demo requires a service ID from me or Benoit, so just contact us for that. The next field is the Allow External User Access. This field will open up your demo to any user of the Demo Portal, not just IBMers and business partners. The next one is the Access Restriction Group List. And so you should leave this one blank if you want your demo to be accessible by IBMers and business partners. If you only want IBMers to be able to request your demo, then just put in IBM here as the group list. Then the audience is technical, non-technical, or both. Provide a short description. And then for the main description, what you'll use here is HTML code. And what I've done is I've taken the example from the IBM I Crown Jewels demo and provided it into my HTML here, and I'll show you what that looks like after. Then you provide some keywords. If anybody does a search on Demo Portal and you want them to find your demo with this particular keywords, then you can put that there, like awesome or cognitive or whatever you want to put there. The minimum duration time is the shortest amount of time that they can take the demo. And the maximum duration time is the max time. And this is in minutes. So if you want it to be in hours, you can just click on the numbers here and it will fill in the number of minutes for that. And you can go all the way from 2 hours to 6 months. The next field is the reset time. Now this field is really important because if you have a manual demo or an automated demo, then this is going to be the amount of time that you're going to have to provision or reset your demo. So if it's a manual demo, then this is going to be the amount of time where you're going to get the note from the demo portal before the start time of the demo, and that will give you time to reset it. So if it takes you 2 hours to set up a demo, then you're going to want to make sure that you have at least 2 hours to do that. So the demo portal will send you the reset note to at least 2 hours before the demo starts. You can reset it, and then you go into the demo portal and approve it and say that it's ready, and then the requester will get a note telling them that the demo is ready to go. The next number is the max number of requests allowed to run. So if you have a demo that is running on hardware and only one demo at a time can run, then you would put 1 there. If you have a demo where more than one demo can run, because you've got maybe multiple users in a particular system, so you can have 5 users or 10 users at a time, then you would put that number there. And then the infrastructure service identifier is the ID that you get from me or Benoit when you have an automated demo, and so you would put that in here. And I have some here like MOP awesome test. If you have more than one demo that is using the same hardware, then you can specify to the demo portal that only one demo at a time can run on that hardware. So that's what's called a link demo, and that's used sometimes, I think, in with some of the hardware. They set up demos to run on the same hardware, so the demo portal will make sure that that other demo is also not scheduled at the same time. And then you select your categories. This will help in filtering if someone is filtering on a certain category. You select your demo owner. In this case, I would select me as the demo owner. And then for tech leads, you can actually select more than one tech lead. So if I wanted to, I could say Benoit and Mary are my tech leads. And the tech leads are the ones that are going to approve my demo. The business contact is the person that can have access to metrics about your demo. So you can specify 1 or more people there as well. And finally, you have the ability to upload files. And I'm going to show you a couple of demos and examples of that, of how you can upload a file and then refer to those files within your HTML code. So one thing you have to be careful of is when you are creating your demo for the first time, and if you upload a file here and you select click to upload the file, it's going to do both save your demo at that time and the file. So it's a little tricky. It's kind of like uploading the file and saving. If you have more than one file to upload, then you'll need to go back and modify your demo to add the other files. So after you select submit and create your demo, then it will go, you can look at it under owner actions, my demonstrations, and it will show as the roadmap status. And that's a way that we can allow folks to create demos as placeholders so that people know that you're working on that demo. And so somebody might not go off and create another demo just like it, right? So once you decide that you're ready to have your demo be available or made active, then you can tell your technical lead to approve it, and then they should review it. And then once they're happy with it, then they approve it, and it will go into the active state. And then after that, if you have to make any changes to the content of the demo, it will go into the pending state, and again, then your technical lead will need to come and approve it, and then it'll go back to active. Now I'd like to show you some demos that have good examples of including files and graphics and videos in their demos. If you do a search on Crown in the demo portal, you'll see that it comes up with 3 separate demos, and each one of these is, even though they have the same title, they're all a different type of demo. The first one, a manual demo, the second one is an automated demo, and the third one is a video. So let's take a look at the demo video. You can see the description includes an embedded short video, some text, a graphic, and also a file that you can download. It also has information about how to run the demo. But what you can't see when you're a regular user is this scenario. And what the scenario is it's a way to require that the user book the demo before they can have access to this video. And you can see this video is a longer video. It's 31 minutes long. Now let's look at how to add a video to my demo. So first I'm going to go into my demo and make sure that the type is video and the mode is automatic. Here a short description with an embedded GIF file. So I've got this file in Box and I'm referring to it. And the neat thing here is that you can do the show hide description field preview. So without having to go back and forth between a browser, you can actually look and see what this HTML code is going to look like in the description. So this is a really nice option that you can take advantage of. And that's just the description field. So then now let's look at how, and I've set the reset time to 0. And I'm going to save this and add a scenario. You go into the demo and then you say under administration in the right hand column, you say add a scenario. You give it a name and then you specify live video scenario. And what we do here is the best option is to embed the video in the HTML with the HTML code. So there's a couple ways here. I've given a couple examples. I have a video out in Box that I will show you how to get the embed link for. So you click, there's my video, my M4V format video, and then you say more actions and embed widget. And then that will give you the embed widget, and you can decide if you want it to show small, medium, large, and then you can so you can change that, and then you can copy the link and then get out of there. And then I just put that into my HTML code here. And then the second example I have here is of a YouTube video that I have put out. And here's my YouTube video. And what you can do to get that is you click on share and then embed. And then here's the source code here that you would use, and you just copy that, and then I pasted it into my HTML description. So again, you can use the preview here to see what that's going to look like to the user once they get instant access to the video. Now let's book the video. So I go here and I say book. I fill out the information for the booking, and then I say book, and here's my video. So it gives me instant access in the browser, and I can start watching my videos. So it's loading the preview here. This is the one from Box, and this is the one from YouTube. So I can watch my video of, and if I want to go back into my video and modify the scenario, then I need to click, instead of clicking on edit over here, I click on the description here. You'll be able to see the scenario here, and then you can edit it. And I put all these example files out in Box for you. So if you go to ibmbox.com/v/demo-file-examples, then you'll be able to see all the examples, including the one for the scenario, crown video. So now I want to talk about customized email templates. Here's an example of a default email that you get after your automatic demonstration is booked. Now notice that, that it has information in there. It has the user's name, the requester's name, and also the information about the demo and some action required on their part and information about support. And here's an example of a customized email template, and you can see that just the title's a little bit more customized, and we've removed a little bit of information there because it's not relevant for this particular demo. So in that example directory out in Box, I provided an example email template that I just showed you. So if you want to take a look at that, you can customize that and then just work with me, because remember, you need to have an infrastructure service ID in order to create a custom email template. And even if you have a manual demo, you still have to have a service ID for the custom template. So just work with me, and we can fix you up. The last thing I want to talk about are the feedbacks. So after a demo has completed, then the requester will receive an email that is asking them to provide feedback on the demo. And there's a couple of different kinds of feedback. So if you go into My Requests, you can also do your feedback here, and you can say evaluate the demonstration. And then when this comes up, then you can provide 3 types of feedback. One is the overall satisfaction rating. And this is the rating that is provided only to the owner and the tech lead. So this rating is actually not displayed in the demo portal, but it does. You do get a note that the owners get a note, and the Client Center Demonstration Task ID gets a note that says how satisfied they were with the demo. The next rating is the STAR rating, or the effectiveness rating. This rating is actually shown on the demo portal. When you see the list of demos, it will tell you how many people have rated this and how many stars they've given it. So this is very helpful for our requesters to see what the ratings are of the demos. Another thing that's very helpful is to see the dates on the demos, when they were created, so that they know that they're current. And finally, the last thing that they can do is provide comments. These comments are, again, only showed to the owner. And so when the owners get the email, they get the information about the satisfaction and the comments, but that is not displayed publicly. On behalf of the entire Demo Portal team, I'd like to thank you for watching, and please reach out to us if you have any questions. Thanks.